Hi, I'm Chuck with King Electric Tech Support, and today we're going to talk about heater maintenance. It's an area that most people don't think about until a problem occurs. But today, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your heater in 5 easy steps. Remove the grill and place it into a bucket of water. Now I'm going to double check that there is no power to the heater. Good to go. Next, give it a good spin to make sure nothing's sticking. Grab compressed air and spray the back end. You want to grab a brush and brush out all the debris. Now after you feel it's clean, we're going to dry off the grill that's been soaking in soapy water and reinstall the grill. Finish drying the grill. And now we're going to reinstall the grill. It's as simple as that. You're done. Go ahead and turn your breaker back on. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment. If you have any questions, please reach us at tech@king-electric.com. Thank you.